Alright, let's see what's going on with Decentraland. So it seems like we have broken out of this nice downtrend that we have been in since the 25th of November. This is actually the first video I've done on Decentraland, so I've basically just booted up this chart. Obviously I wasn't here when all of this previous price action took place, but if we do just take a fib from here to here, see whereabouts we are. You can see we also have, so I'll talk about this in a second, but you can see that we have a nice 618 down here that lines up with a lot of data that I was about to talk about. So if I remove this macro fib so there's less lines on the chart, you can see we do have a nice 618 down here at $2.70. If we do zoom in as well, you can see this is also like another micro fib that we've got from high to low. So there is a lot of confluence coming in down here at the 270. We have obviously broken out this huge downtrend, so in my opinion we are good for a move to the upside as long as we do stay above 270. Now there's really not too much volume coming in for this coin. We also do have like a slight M pattern, which is why I really outlined that we do need to hold 270. If we do hold 270, then the next move up would be retesting the 355 on the micro high over here. So if we did come down, back test 270 and came up, you can see that we would be off to the races with a 30% move. After that, not too much here at the 0.5, but you can see the fib extension level would be the 1.618 up here. So the next move after that would be a 49% increase. This is from 350 to all the way to $4. So in my opinion, if we solidly break above $4, this is a really important level on the 1.618. If we do break above 4, then the sky is the limit really. I think we'd be coming up to retest all-time highs. I don't see a world where we would break above the $4, which is the 1.618 here, or this specifically, the $4 down here links to the 1.618. Up here we have 430. This is between 4 and 430. This is the most important level to break above in my opinion, because if we do break above here, we would be now back above the 618. This is obviously a macro fib, but if we did take this, we've already done this, so we are above this macro 618 down here at 270 really. So all in all, the number one important level is 270. If we bounce on 270, expect to move up to between $4 and 430, at which point if we did break above there, we would be above the 618, and in my opinion, if we take a price target from there to the all-time high, which is where I think we'd be going, we'd be up for another 37% move. So Decentraland does look pretty good. You can see that is 100% rally from where we are now. When the markets do start getting more comfortable and people obviously right now the total crypto market cap has broken below the 618. If the 618 is able to be reclaimed in the next few days or the next week, maybe something like this, I do see mana exploding again, having a 2x rally maybe in like a month, a couple of months or so. We would really have to see if we did manage to get above this $4 and 430, because these are the most important levels really. Also, if we do zoom out, you can see that we are above the 200-day moving average. We somewhat used it down here as support when we came back tested the bottom of the channel, candle body close, bounced off the 200-day, and we went off to the races. So RSI looks relatively strong as well. Tiny bit of caution, but we are making a head and shoulders here, so potentially, I mean, we could even break down to come down to the 270, which would look like something like this. But as long as we do kind of get above here, I'm not too worried about the RSI, so I will remove the RSI, mainly because the most important levels that I see are the 618 here at the 270. If we hold that, fuck what the RSI says. We are still in an uptrend on the RSI. We are hitting the heart line right now, so it would be nice to turn around. You could also see if we did turn around now, we would be in for like a W move like this. Measured move price target from low to the high. If we take it from here, to the wick. You can see a breakout of the kind of the neckline around here would lead us right into this box on the 1.618 between 4 and 430. So yeah, that's really all I see for Decentraland. Like I said one more time, as long as we do stay above this level here, the 618 at 270, then do expect a strong move to the upside in the coming days and weeks. So that's all I see for Decentraland. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.